Bye-bye, waving.
Waving a hand, I don't know if you caught it. 8004. In the Big Apple. Hey, watchmaker. 226 watching you, bake.
Hello, 226. So you're trying to burn there, man. He's trying to get up there. Hey, 226, your watchmaker waving right back.
Hey, watchmaker, 226 with this small driver, 226 on the northeast corner.
Hey, good evening up there, blood pressure. Hey, blood pressure, big old 4th of July wave. Deerslayer, Samp House. Hey, blood pressure, I don't know if you heard me. I don't know if you came back, man. It's all kind of rough. But blood pressure, have a good 4th of July around Love Country. Take care. Deerslayer, Samp House.
Hammer, 434 waving and gone. Apple said break.
Hey, blood pressure, I just heard you out there, wanted to say hello, man. Have a good evening, have a safe 4th of July up there in Love Country. Blood pressure, we'll catch you again when we can, no doubt. Deerslayer, Samp House, reading the mail.
Bye.
Hey, I'm waving back 557, man, it's crowded. Good gracious, Carolinas all the way up to the northeast corners, all jammed up in my radio, so it's rough. 557, big 4th of July wave your way, Deerslayer, Samp House.
We got some hammers up in there tonight. 434 Day, May County with that Independence wave on the mountain. 804, 226, yeah, you're 226, don't be strong, waving. 804, come on.
Oh, hello, slingshot? Yeah, I'm kind of pointed northeast.
Hammer Slammer, man, I got a little rough. I think 804 came in at the end of Deerslayer, man. Appreciate you bumping it down, no doubt about it, man. Big old Independence Wave. Have a good one, have a safe one. Hammer Slammer, 434 Day, Main County, back on the mountain.
Look at the northeast corner, Deerslayer 226 in the Big Apple waving.
Yeah, good evening, time here, Excalibur, 434, waving a hand right back. Big old Independence Wave, I'm reading your mail.
Yeah, who is that calling Deerslayer? Come on. Hello, 94. I heard you in there, but this is crowded, man. Hey, 94, big 4th of July wave your way, Deerslayer, San Paus. Yeah, come on.
M4. Yeah, I'm looking at radar. A6-4, Carolinas with a wave.
Hey, I'm leaving back 327. I heard you call me. I wasn't sure who it was. 327, Love Country, big 4th of July wave, Deerslayer, San Paus.
With a room number, because I put him on life support. Hey, Deerslayer, I put him on life support. That's his room number. Bump it on your radar.
212 Western New York, Excalibur, Eastside Carolinas, right back. Roger there, 212. Appreciate it, man. Yeah, it's definitely rough and tough, ain't no doubt about it. It sounded real good out here on the Outer Banks. Independence Day wave right back to you. Good man.
Around Maryland, big old 4th of July wave up there to Deerslayer, Lake Okeechobee. Hey, Empty Pockets, I don't know if you came back, man, it's rough. Have a good weekend up there, big 4th of July wave. And, hey, Dennis the Menace, I heard you too. You're kind of on the corner of my antenna, but I heard you coming out of the cornfields. 4 1/4. Good evening to you, Deerslayer, San Paus.